Okay, ladies, quick walkthrough here of how you could gather the NPS data that you need for the MOR when you need to report it. So I am in the lists, which if you look, you can go right here, or sorry, if you look here, you can go to contacts, drop down to lists. It's going to reload this page. Right now, the NPS scores are both at the top since they're the most recently created list. If you're ever searching, easy to just go up here and type NPS. This will give me everything related to NPS. Just so you both are aware, I already created lists that list all of our promoters, passives, and detractors. So if you're looking for one or the other, you can always find them here as smart lists. So as we build this up, we'll continue to have those broken down. However, for you to gather data on the total score, this is a list of anybody who has an NPS score. So all contacts with a score will end up here. What you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to go to export. Then when you do open up the Excel spreadsheet, I went ahead and downloaded it for the sake of the video. I know this looks ugly right now, but you can go ahead and sort. Here, and then you'll just want to go down to the bottom of the Excel, total the sum, and get an average. So that's the best way for you to get the total score for the company. However, I want to jump back to our month score. So this is what you're going to do to report monthly. We set up this list so that it is rolling. It is a contact who has been to one of the thank you pages within the last 4 weeks. So this list will kind of auto update as time goes on. You're going to be pulling it at the end of the month every month. So it'll pull anybody who filled that out in the last 4 weeks. So with this is a list. You can see we have 72 contacts who in the last 4 weeks have filled out an NPS survey. If you want to sort by score, all you need to do is hit this. So you can see these people who had 0. This is their bucket. This is the, you can see that most of the zeros are BJ and I here. So with that, we've got this bucket here. You can sort that way. You can sort by who is a detractor. You can sort by who filled out a field or didn't. There are lots of ways that you can manage the list, but ultimately it's going to update for you on a regular basis and you don't really need to think about it again. So I will also link both of these in the email as well, but I thought it would be nice to have a walkthrough to where you kind of gather that information. Again, same thing. If you need a spreadsheet, all you need to do is go up here to hit export. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.